This video explains how to install integrated libraries from a local directory. Libraries in Altium Designer come in many different formats: integrated library, database library, or Altium 365 components library. Now, let's install the integrated libraries. Open the Components panel by selecting the Panels button, then Components. Select the Operations button to the right of the Library dropdown. Select Libraries Preferences. Selecting the Installed tab will show any installed libraries. To install the libraries required for this course, click the Install button. Navigate to the training directory where the libraries are located. Select the three integrated libraries: WCT, Miscellaneous Connectors, and Miscellaneous Devices. Select Open. These libraries are now available file-based libraries. Note that the Components panel is divided into several panes. The topmost pane displays a list of library components for the selected library. The subsequent panes have information related to the selected component, for example, symbol and footprint previews, and models linked to the component. We hope this helped you understand how to install integrated libraries from a local directory.